Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the endocrine glands, and this question was taken from the 2014 Exemplar exam. So let's jump in. The diagram below represents the interaction between two important endocrine glands. The gland labeled A is found at the base of the brain, while the gland labeled C is present towards the front of the neck. So we can see here's gland A, something's happening here at B, then here's our gland C, and then something else is happening here at D. So the first question, 3.1.1, says give a label for gland A. So the gland at the base of the brain is known as the pituitary gland. Okay, second question, name hormone B. Okay, so at hormone B it's represented, or B is representing a hormone which is coming from the pituitary gland. Now the pituitary gland does secrete a few hormones, but in this case we can see that it's going down towards structure C, which is our thyroid. So therefore hormone B has to be a thyroid stimulating hormone. So it's TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay. Last question, 3.1.3, state two functions of hormone D. Okay, so hormone D is secreted by our thyroid, which is gland C, and that hormone is known as thyroxine. So what is the function of thyroxine? Well, there are a few functions, but to name the two, because the question specifically asked for two functions, we're only going to write down two functions, but I will tell you about the others. So the first function is to control metabolic rate or metabolism, so we'll say metabolism control. Second function is it influences our heart rate. So influences heart rate. So now we've got two functions, but I will just mention the others. And another function we can get from the thyroid is that it also influences the central nervous system. And when I say that, it assists in the functioning of the central nervous system. And there we have it, guys. But before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them down in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.